This video will show you how to add new administrators to your Cell Booster portal, which will allow them to view Cell Booster Pro status information, register locations, and set up new devices. The process starts with your current Cell Booster Pro admin, who is the only person able to add new users. If this is you, first go into the portal and select an existing service location for the new administrator. From here, scroll down and select the admin list. Tap plus, input a unique username in the user ID field, and that's it. You just added a new admin to the Cell Booster portal. However, please be aware that despite having unique administrator usernames, each admin you add must use the same AT&T login credentials to access the portal itself. In other words, to have multiple administrators, you will need to share the Premier, FirstNet, or My AT&T username and password that you currently use to log into the portal. If you have any questions or need additional help, call our technical support team at 877-996-7017. And thank you for being an AT&T customer.